Welcome, dear students. Welcome, Ibrahim. Welcome, Akram. And thank you for participating in this small interview. The aim of this interview, we want to measure the ability of students, AMIS students, to use the e-resources. Okay? So you are ready to participate in this interview. Welcome. Okay. First we'll ask Akram. Okay, Akram. Do you know anything about e-resources?
I don't have an idea about this resource.
You don't have any idea. So you didn't try to use it before.
I don't.
And you, Ibrahim,
No, I have not tried it before.
you didn't try it, and you have no idea also.
Yes.
Okay. In the previous semesters, how you are doing your coursework, for example?
Mainly by using the internet and also using like
General internet.
Yeah, general.
And you also, you are using Google search,
Yeah.
and you are not thinking to use some another resources. Okay. You know, college is providing a huge database of e-resources, so I think it will be beneficial for you to use it. Okay? So, if it is provided and somebody explained to you, are you ready to use it? Or you feel it is difficult?
I don't.
أي.
Maybe يمكن.
يمكن يعني كان يمكن difficult
Yeah.
يمكن not difficult.
Mm.
Okay, because you didn't use it before. Okay,
Yes.
so I think it is very easy. Inshallah, I will call some librarian from our library, and he will give you a workshop, and hope it will be beneficial for you. So you are ready to do that?
Yes.
Okay, welcome, and thank you for participating.
You're welcome.